right along one of the glue joints from when they built the chairs. Both in the same place, oddly. That one's there. Same place on this one, right down this glue joint. I don't know if maybe somebody was just lazy in the factory that day. This one's still good, still in one piece. I've actually fixed, this is the second and third chair that I'll have done the same fix on. Except the first one I want to say broke on this glue joint here and not that one. So, I don't think it was this one. No, it's the one that's in the other office over there. So I'll just get these all fixed up and we'll go on from there. I don't remember how I did this last time. Alright, so hopefully these chairs stay fixed for a while. Like I said, this is chair 2 and 3 that I fixed now. I'm just waiting for this last one to break. Maybe we'll eventually. Hopefully not soon. Knock on wood. They're nice solid oak chairs, luckily. But I think now it is time to let these dry and I'll finish cleaning the glue off of them. Maybe a little bit of sandpaper or something tomorrow. I know the bottoms are going to need some work. I don't know that what I did on the other one. I'll have to pull it out and see. But anyhow, like I said, with any luck, these will stay fixed for quite a while.
Still technically works until they get the chair in and then just
Okay. So it's been a couple days, and these have had enough time to dry. I mean, it's been like 4 days or so. So let's see how well they held up. And I can't even see. There's a little spot right there and a little spot there of glue. And a little spot there. That's one chair fixed. And this one's got a little spot of glue here. Not anymore. So yeah, I mean, not everything has to be big projects. Some of the things we're going to do around here are small projects. I mean, this was, maybe 5 minutes, really, to put the glue on, strap it together, and then just let it sit. It really didn't take that much time. But yeah, happy to have one more thing knocked off.